logged into Purple Mash, you can go onto To Email, and there you'll be able to send an email to your teacher. Click on the logo and keep clicking until it opens the email page. If you want to send an email, you click the envelope button in the top corner. There you can type in who you want to send your message to. So I'm going to send mine to Miss Davis. If you couldn't remember their name or you can't remember how to spell it, you can click the address book logo here and then look through for their name. You can tell us what the email is going to be about, and then you can type in what you want to. If you wanted to send some specific work, you could click the Attach Work button. There you can have a look for what work it is that you want to send, and you can click it and press the Choose button. When you're happy with your message, you can click the Send button. If you decide you don't want to send that message, you can click the Cancel button. You might have some emails in your inbox. To open them, you double click and you can have a look at what the messages are. If they've got an attachment, to open it, you just double click it. If you want to reply to that email, you can press the Reply button, or if you'd like to delete it, you can press the Delete button. If you want to go back to your inbox, then you can press the orange Close button in the corner.